Have you ever tried to make shadow box art? If your answer is no, then let's make shadow box art. For that, I need a few ply boards equal in length. Here I have joined 3 pieces together. After securing them together so that they won't move, I join them with wood glue. After the glue has dried up, I'm painting the box with black acrylic paint. For the inside, I'm using white paint as it secures the paint with the surface. I'm using ice cream sticks for the wall. For that, I'm measuring and cutting them according to the wall size. For instance, my shadow box wall size is 8 inches, so I will use as many sticks that will cover the area. You can do it according to your shadow box size. For the floor, I'm using modeling paste and wall putty to create a tile floor. Here I'm making a worn-down window. I'm cutting and setting up the sticks to paste on the walls. As it's an old, worn-down old cabin, so it will have few broken and missing pieces. Here what the shadow box looks like after the setup. If you want me to make another episode on how I painted and decorated it, comments down below, like the video, so that I can make the video for the decoration of the shadow box for you.